When you perform a search in a search engine such as Google or Bing, it will show a list of results. Do you know if the websites are safe? Let us show you a simple web browser extension which can help you identify unsafe websites. The first step is to type Bitdefender Traffic Light in your web browser. It will show a list of websites, and in the first link that shows Bitdefender Traffic Light, make sure the site is www.bitdefender.com. Then click the link. Bitdefender Traffic Light is a web browser extension that supports Firefox, Chrome, and Safari. Its cloud database contains a list of malicious websites, such as websites containing malware or phishing sites. It helps you identify which sites are safe and which are unsafe. It also prevents you from accessing unsafe websites. Now, click Free Download to continue. If you are using a Chrome browser, it will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension to install the Traffic Light extension. If you want to sync the extension to all your computers, click Turn on Sync. Otherwise, click the cross to close the small window. Now, perform a search in your web browser again. You can see a traffic light is shown before each link. Green light means the website is safe, and a red light means the website is a malicious site and may contain malware, unwanted apps, or it is a phishing site. Please do not click on it. If you really click on the link with a red traffic light, it will show a Bitdefender block page to protect you from accessing it. However, if you are sure that the site is safe, you can click the link, "I understand the risk, take me there anyway," but we do not recommend this. If you want to go back, just click the Take Me Back to Safety button, and it will redirect you to a blank page. Other than that, when you receive an email with an URL link and you click on it, the Bitdefender traffic light will also check the link and block it if it is a malicious site. And that is the end of the video. We hope that this video helped you. If it did, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.